Namaskara. Under the National Service Scheme of the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports and the Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat program, we welcome you to the Cultural Exchange program between Uttarakhand and Karnataka.
Join us on this journey to discover the enthralling culture and heritage of Karnataka.
Karnataka was formed on the 1st of November 1956 from the erstwhile princely state of Mysore. It is the home of many great rulers like Krishnadevaraya and Sri Jaichamarajendra Wadeyar. Karnataka has 30 districts. Each district is unique, be it in terms of attire, architecture, language, or festivities. Come, let us catch a glimpse of the cultural heritage of this land. Welcome to Karnataka. Now, let us explore the vast variety of dance forms prevalent in our state. Yakshagana. Yakshagana, derived from the Sanskrit word Yakshagana, referring to the Yakshas, continue to stand out among all dance forms. It has got its own distinguished set of rules, rhythm, and moves, which is matched by no other. The traditional theatre form, with a history of over 400 years, is known for its extemporaneous dialogue delivery, hued costumes, and the dynamic dance forms. The Bhagavata, the main storyteller, accompanies a group of musicians playing the Chande and Maddale. This dance form, which is native to Karavali Kannada, that is the coastal regions of Karnataka, has now received international awards and appreciation.
Dolu Kunita. This dance form, traditionally started by the worshippers of Lord Veereshwara, is a drum dance accompanied by acrobatic movements, synchronized group formations, and occasional screams. The dancers beat their drums in perfect coordination and take various formations that require strength and balance.
Huli Kunita. Native to the coastal regions of Udupi and Mangaluru, this dance comprises of dancers painted completely as tigers and dancing to the beats of the Chandi. Huli Kunita, locally called Pilivesha, is performed during Navaratri to honor the goddess Durga, whose favored animal is the tiger. Young men make groups of 5 to 8 and go around the city dancing to the beats played on the Chandi.
Pathakunita, literally translating to flag dance, Pathakunita is done in various parts of Karnataka by holding a patha or a long colorful pole and dancing to the beats of the tamate. The dancer requires strength and balance to control the pole as he dances.
ಜೀವನವೆಲ್ಲ ದೇವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಲ್ಲವರೆಲ್ಲ ನಂಬಿದರಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟ ಸುಖ ಸಿಹಿ ಕೈ ಸಮವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟ ಸುಖ ಸಿಹಿ ಕೈ ಸಮವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಟ್ಟ ಮುಡಿಯ ಮಲ್ಲಯ್ಯನ ದಯವಿದ್ರೆ ಭಯವಿಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಲಯ್ಯನ ದಯವಿದ್ರೆ ಭಯವಿಲ್ಲ.
Bhutakola and Kangilu Kunita. Bhutakola is traditionally practiced in the Karavali Kannada region and parts of Malenadu. It is performed in worship of spirits and local deities of the Tulu-speaking population. It is an annual ritual where the spirit is channelized into the body of a selected person and worshipped. Kangilu Kunita is a spiritual dance performed on full moon by the people of the Mandal community of Udupi. It is believed to keep away evil spirits and negative energy.
Veeragase. Veeragase gets its name from the Hindu legendary warrior Veerabhadra. Here, the dancers narrate the story of Daksha Yagna. Dressed in colorful garb and traditional headgear, the dancers carry a wooden plaque of Veerabhadra in their left hand and a sword in their right. A huge decorative pole called Nandi Kolu, which has an orange flag at the top, is held by one of the dancers. Traditional percussion instruments called sambal and dimmo lend music to the dance. The dance sometimes involves a ritualistic piercing of a needle across the tongue.
Jade Kolata. Kolata is performed by both men and women. Jade Kolata is one of the types of Kolata, which means plate Kolata. In this, a bundle of rope is suspended from above and the dancers take each rope and move in specific circular shape to weave the rope into a plate.
Kolu kolanna kolu kolu kole kole kolanna kole kolanna kole kole kolanna kole kolu kolanna kolu kolu kole kole kolanna kole kolanna kole kole kolanna kole
Karaga. Karaga is originally performed by the Thigadar community dedicated to Shakti Devi. Draupadi is her godly form. The main priest is dressed in female attire, complete with a large pyramid of flowers on the head to symbolize her. He leads a spectacular procession of Thigadars who, with swords in hand, play the roles of the fearless mythical soldiers of the goddess.
And Ummattata. These are dance forms that are prevalent in the Kodagu region of Karnataka. Huttiri is a slow dance performed by the men in Kodava costumes with decorative knives. They dance to the beats of Dudi, a drum. Ummattat is performed by Kodava women who wear traditional Kodava dress with jewelry and dance in a circle to a swinging rhythm, brass cymbals in hand to worship Mother Kaveri.
Somana Kunita. Somana Kunita, performed in the districts of South Karnataka, is a ritualistic dance performed by 2 or 3 artists with elaborate masks. Soma is the name given to the masks worn by the performers. The performers dance in a rhythmic manner to the tune of background instruments such as drums. Songs about the village deities are sung intermittently.
Puja Kunita. Puja Kunita is a folk dance form practiced in the regions of Bengaluru and Mandya districts and is a ritualistic dance for worshipping goddess Shakti in all her forms of incarnation. This dance is unique as highly decorated large bamboo shields are used in the performance. The dancers sway the shield along with the music.
Gorava Kunita. Gorava Kunita is a dance worshipping Shiva which is popular in the Mysore and North Karnataka regions. In North Karnataka, the Goravas worship Mailaralinga. The dancers rub kumkum and vibhuti on their foreheads and move in a clockwise zigzag. The North Karnataka Goravas wear yellow powder on their foreheads.
Kamsale. Kamsale is a unique folk art performed by the devotees of Lord Mahadeshwara. In Besu Kamsale or Kamsale, rhythms of various patterns and tempos are created with cymbals while being moved around the body of the dancer in innumerable patterns manifesting both skill and art. The main element of this art is the rhythmic clang which blends with the melodious music of the Mahadeshwara epic.
Heggalige. Literally translating to big wood, this form is performed in various regions of Karnataka and comprises of artists beating a big piece of wood.
Halakki Suggi Kunita. Suggi Kunita or the harvest dance is performed during the harvest time mostly by the farming community. Artists in beautiful costumes and wooden headgear adorned with carved birds and flowers dance to the tune of the drums with sticks and peacock feathers. They enhance the dance by their own singing.
Now, let us take a look at the various musical instruments which originated in Karnataka. Chande. It is a drum used in the traditional and classical music of South India and particularly in the Yakshagana theatre art. Its body is constructed from the wood of the jackfruit tree. The drum head is made of processed cow skin. The sticks used, called chande kolu, are specially made for chande from a type of bamboo. Now, let us take a look at the famous Chande performance of the Udupi Sri Krishna temple.
Dhol. The dhol is a double-sided barrel drum played mostly as an accompanying instrument in regional music forms. It consists of a wooden barrel with animal hide or synthetic skin stretched over its open ends. These skins can be stretched or loosened to increase or decrease the pitch respectively. Dhol, called dollu in Kannada, is seen most often in the popular folk dance Dollu Kunita.
Khanjara. It is a South Indian frame drum of the tamburi family. It is used primarily in concepts of Carnatic music as a support to the mridangam. The frame has a single slit which contains 3 to 4 small metal discs that jingle when the khanjara is played.
Tamate. Tamate or tamte is a hand drum from the old Mysore region. It is made of goat hide stretched over a circular frame bound with an iron ring. Tamte was once only played by a few communities at funerals, village festivals, and for announcements. However, it is now used widely.
Maddale, also called mridanga, is a percussion instrument which is the primary accompaniment in Yakshagana along with the chande. It represents remarkable progress in percussive instruments as it produces perfect shruti when played anywhere on the surface. Now, let us move on to the musical forms of Karnataka. Carnatic music. Carnatic music, or the Karnataka Sangeetham, is the classical music of South India. The foundation of this art, which has a history of over a millennia, was laid by Purandara Dasaru. The commonly used instruments are the tamburi, the veena, the mridangam, the ghatam, the flute, and the violin. The well-known vocalists of Carnatic music include Veene Sheshanna and R.K. Srikantan.
ಮಡಿ ಮಡಿ ಎಂದು ಅಡಿಗಡಿ ಹಾರುವೆ ಮಡಿ ಮಾಡುವ ಬಗೆ ಬೇರುಂಟು ಪೊಡವಿ ಪಾಲಕನ ಪದ ಧ್ಯಾನವನ್ನು ಪೊಡವಿ ಪಾಲಕನ ಪದ ಧ್ಯಾನವನ್ನು ಪೊಡವಿ ಪಾಲಕನ ಪದ ಧ್ಯಾನವನು ಪೊಡವಿ ಪಾಲಕನ ಪದ ಧ್ಯಾನವನು ಬಿಡದೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಅದು ಮಡಿಯು ಪೊಡವಿ ಪಾಲಕನ ಪದ ಧ್ಯಾನವನು ಬಿಡದೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಅದು ಮಡಿಯು.
Hindustani music. Hindustani music is also prevalent in northern parts of Karnataka. Instruments used are the sitar, harmonium, tabla, and others. The famous Hindustani artists from Karnataka are Pandit Bhimsen Joshi and Gangubai Handel.
ತುಂಗಾ ತೀರದಿ ನಿಂತ ಸುಯತಿವರನಾರೆ ಕೇಳಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ ತುಂಗಾ ತೀರದಿ ನಿಂತ ಸುಯತಿವರನಾರೆ ಕೇಳಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ ಸಂಗೀತ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಮಂಗಳ ಸುಗುಣಿತ ರಂಗ ಮುನಿಕುಲೋ ತುಂಗಾ ಪೆಳಮ್ಮ ತುಂಗಾ ತೀರದಿ ನಿಂತ ಸುಯತಿವರನಾರೆ ಕೇಳಮ್ಮಯ್ಯ
Folk songs. As our ancestors went through their daily life, they used music as entertainment and as a way to express themselves. This music was passed on orally to the next generations, and thus came our rich heritage of folk songs. The common instruments used are tamate, chande, and others. There are various forms of folk songs like Gigi Pada, Biso Kallina Pada, Nati Pada, and many more.
ಬಿಸುನ ಬಾರ ಗೆಳತಿ ಹಾಸನದ ಜಾಳ ಯೋಳು ನೀ ಬಾಗಿಲದ ಒಡೆಯ ಪರ್ವತ ಮಾಲ ಎದ್ದೊಂದ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾನದೀನ ಬಿಸುನ ಬಿಸುನ ಬಾರ ಗೆಳತಿ ಹಾಸನದ ಜಾಳ ಜಳಕ ಮಾಡಾವೆ ರನ್ನದ ಕೋಲೆ ಕೋಲೆ ಕುತ್ತು ಬಂದ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ತುಪ್ಪು ಬಾನವನಿಕ್ಕಿ ತರುಣಂದೆ ನಾನೇ ತಡವಾದ ರತ್ತೆ ಬೈದಾರೋ ರನ್ನದ ಕೋಲೆ ಕೋಲೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗೆರೆ ಕೊಸಲೆ ಸುಮಾನ್ಗೆರೆ ತೆಮ್ಮಾಯ್ ಬಂದೆದ್ದ ಕಣೆ ಕೊಸಲೆ ಸುಮಾನ್ಗೆರೆ ತೆಮ್ಮಾಯ್ ಬಂದೆದ್ದ ಕಣೆ ತೆಮ್ಮಯ್ಯಾದರಿಯ ಲೋಲ ಚಿಂತಾಮಣಿಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟವರೇ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಮಯ ಕೊಸಲೆ ಸುಮಾನ್ಗೆರೆ.
ವಚನಗಳು. Vachana literally means speech. These are four-lined writings in simple language written to be understood and followed by the common man. Well-known Vachanakaras include Basavanna, Akka Mahadevi and Allamma Prabhu. All of them have preached about eradicating social evils and upliftment of society.
Sugama Sangeeta. Sugama Sangeeta is a musical genre in which poetry in the Kannada language is set to music. It gained recognition with the work of P. Kalinga Rao in the mid-20th century. Other accomplished artists include Shimoga Subbanna and M.D. Pallavi.
ಅಳುವ ಕಡಲೊಳು ತೇಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲಿದೆ ನದಿಯ ಸಾಲಿ ದೋಣಿ ಅಳುವ ಕಡಲೊಳು ತೇಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲಿದೆ ನದಿಯ ಸಾಲಿ ದೋಣಿ ಬಾಳ ಗಂಗೆಯ ಮಹಾಪೂರಗಳು ಸಾವಿನುಂದುವೇಣಿ ನೆರೆತಿದೆ ಬೆರೆತಿದೆ ಕುಣಿವ ಮೊರೆವ ತೆರೆ ತೆರೆಗಳೋಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜನನ ಮರಣಗಳ ಉಬ್ಬು ತಗ್ಗು ಹೊರಳುರುಳುವಾಟವಳು ಅಲ್ಪ ಕಡಲು ಸೇರಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲಿದೆ ನಗೆಯ ಹಾಯಿ ದೋಣಿ ನಗೆಯ ಹಾಯಿ ದೋಣಿ
ಅಮ್ಮ ನಿನ್ನ ಎದೆಯಾಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಮೀನು ಮಿಡುಕಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವೆ ನಾನು ಅಮ್ಮ ನಿನ್ನ ಎದೆಯಾಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಮೀನು ಮಿಡುಕಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವೆ ನಾನು ಕಡಿಯಲೊಲ್ಲೆ ನೀ ಕರುಳ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಕಡಿಯಲೊಲ್ಲೆ ನೀ ಕರುಳ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಒಲವೋಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ತಾಯೇ ಬಿಡದ ಭುವಿಯ ಮಾಯೇ ಅಮ್ಮ ನಿನ್ನ ಎದೆಯಾಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಮೀನು ಮಿಡುಕಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವೆ
Thank you for joining us on this journey.
What you have seen is just a small drop in the vast ocean. As they rightly say, Karnataka is one state, many worlds.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.